name is Brandon Natlocon, and I am reporting about the effects of the liquid free surface inside a tank or compartment to the vessel stability. The free surface effect is a phenomenon that occurs in partially filled tanks or compartments containing liquids. When a vessel containing such a tank experiences motion, in rolling, pitching, or swaying, the liquid inside the tank will also move. This movement of the liquid can significantly affect the vessel stability. The liquid's free surface acts like a pendulum. As the vessel tilts, the liquid shifts to the lower side of the tank. This shift in the liquid center of gravity changes the overall center of gravity of the vessel, causing a further increase in the heel angle. This effect can be amplified if the tank is large and the liquid is relatively shallow. In extreme cases, this can lead to capsizing. Several factors influence the magnitude of the free surface effect. Amount of liquid. A higher percentage of liquid filling the tank increases the effect. Tank shape and size. Large, shallower tanks are more susceptible to the free surface effect. Vessel motion. The more violent the motion, the greater the effect. To mitigate the free surface effect, several design considerations are important. Smaller tank. Using smaller tank reduce the effect. Partition tanks. Dividing large tanks into smaller compartments reduce the liquid's ability to shift significantly. Baffles. Installing baffles, internal partitions within the tank, can damp the liquid's movement. Proper filling levels. Maintaining appropriate liquids levels minimize the effects. In summary, understanding and mitigating the free surface effect is crucial for ensuring the stability and safety of vessel carrying liquids in tank compartments. Ignoring this effect can have catastrophic consequences.